Bronco. What a pretty place. But the cherry on top is we get to come out here with Matt's Off-Road Recovery and Broncbuster. They're doing the change of the American flag, you know, out here in the wind, and gets tore up. So Matt's Off-Road Recovery is sponsoring that change. So let's go watch that, and then let's see if we can find some, you know, rock crawling. There it is. Got the flag swapped out. Matt's Off-Road Recovery sponsoring the new American flag for the month. Now, let's go find some trails and do the rock crawling, you know. Come on. I can't believe we're out here off-roading with Matt's Off-Road. Man, what an awesome experience. How's the Bronco treating you, Hefe?
That was awesome. I used the rock slider for the first time.
Perfect. You look bored.
I'm not bored. I'm having this is when I really get to enjoy myself. The rest of it's work. This is the fun part. Yeah.
Going on a Monica hunt, where would she be? Where would she go?
Excellent, excellent. All right, go ahead and start turning driver. There you go. Beautiful. Like a pro, my friend. Oh, you got it. You're doing good. Beautiful. Oh, you're wide right there. You could cross it a little bit, but there you go. Awesome. Well done. Woo!
On the drop now.
My rear getting close.
Close.
Yep,
Keep
6
going.
inches.
Woo! Come on down. Right when you start to drop off your turn driver just a little bit. Start to turn driver. There you go. You're gonna put away for a minute. Straight right there. Hold that line. Now straighten out and get it to start to go down.
Light brakes. Don't, you know, if you got it, don't butt off the brake. You got it.
Drop right there.
You got it.
You want me to take this down?
Okay, you got about a foot and a half, and then you're going to drop down in another little hole. Light on the brake. Okay. Let light off the brake. Come forward more, yeah. Right there. Nice.
How you feel, Monica?
How was that?
It was fun. We went up, and then we went down. And then we'll probably go up some more, and then down some more.
Keep that momentum up. Drive up. Yeah.
go another foot further than you did last time. You can keep going if you want to. Everybody else has been.
I like that
Right on, man.
blow-off
That's
valve
awesome.
right at the top.
Well, he was taking notes, wasn't he?
I missed it. Good stuff.
He can back up this way now.
Just so ever so creep it.
Nice. Yeah, he's good on this side.
Keep that front end. If it starts to slide that way, stop everything. Beautiful. You're done. Straight up.
Am I up this next?
Yep.
What do I owe you if I roll it? Actually, it's cheap.
Do it again.
I need to we agreed this before we roll
You're going to go up about a foot, so turn sharp up it. Up a little. Okay, right there. Now turn back my way just a little bit. Not putting enough weight on to keep you up there. That's okay.
Keep trying that.
There he is. He's coming. He's got it.
Yeah, he's got it.
There he goes.
Okay. Okay.
Oh, it's a good thing he's got skid plates on that.
Out here wheeling with Matt's off-road recovery, that is an experience. What a fun group of people to hang out with. You don't know who they are? You're living under the rocks we're driving on.
Yeah, you got no choice.
I need to straighten up just a little
I'd
bit.
let it go though. Less brake, more roll. Okay. Straighten your wheel out. Back up. Look at your steering. Yep. Go. Are you turned all the way? Yeah.
Really? Do you have lockers?
I have lockers, but they're not working.
So you don't need lockers?
I don't need lockers, no. I'm gonna take them out. Next trip, everything's no lockers.
Just remove the switch panel.
Just momentum. Momentum is all you need.
Throttle out.
Throttle out.
Putting it to work.
There we go.
I don't think you're gonna have to hit it very hard. Medium thumb. Once you feel your back tires get up in this direction.
What'd you think about it?
It's awesome. I love it.
Does it handle like you thought it would? You gotta give
It's
it
way
some-
different from a Can-Am, but yeah, it handles really well.
Better than a factory Bronco, right?
Oh,
it was great meeting
yep.
you guys, and we'll see you next time. Get off your couch and go create an adventure.
Bronco Adventures.